Mira, President Brother Boy, do you promise to provide spiritual counsel and pray for his child and her parents? Okay. Ikaduha, do you promise to participate in the physical, mental, and spiritual growth of his child? Pwede na tarapong ko.
Yes.
Ako hangyoon ang atong mga kauban sa simbahan, sa distrito. Ako hangyoon all the Seventh Adventist Church. I would like to request from the Magiti, Bayawan District.
No,
Okay. This is our responsibility. Kung naman sa parents, kung sa family members, atuan ni katundanan alang kay Baby Sky. Okay? The church responsibility. There is another agent of influence represented here today. The church members. At this time, I would like to invite all church members to stand, demonstrating your acceptance as part of this commitment of responsibility. Number one, as church members, do you promise to pray for this child?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you promise to provide an environment that will foster her spiritual growth?
Yes.
Do you promise to show kindness, love, and affection?
Yes.
This time, ako iwan ko tugunay mga elders na ng orden. Ako iwan makampo ka alang kay bibis kayo sa iyong mga hinikanan. Sir Alan o Pastor Alan, ako iwan po ang hinikanan na ni Ringon. Kuya, alin,